Okay, making a toolpath. So on the other side of the screen, you'll see the toolpath menu and the little pin. Pin it till it stays open, and then you're looking for V carve engraving toolpath. That's what we're looking for. This is the main menu on this side, by the way. It's the same as this is the main menu on the other side. So V carve engraving, click on it. You have to select the flat depth because it will be defaulted as being unselected, so you have to click that. And then you want to select it 0.25, that's a quarter of an inch, that's a pretty good flat depth to go by. That's just what we're doing so we don't cut too deep in our material. And then at the bottom of that menu, you want to put your name. Press calculate. It says, oh, no suitable vectors are selected. At least one vector must be selected. What does that mean? It means that you have to select your vectors. So selection tool down here, selection mode, make sure that's clicked on, and then you can select your image. Now just so you know as well, you can click on the third tool over called move, scale, rotate, selection, and dialog boxes will come up and you can actually resize it at this point. Too small, for example, you can resize it. You want to make it centered as well, you can click on the middle box. You just don't want it too close to the edges. The conversion for the router to this program I don't think is perfect. It's a little bit off, so if you make it too close, for example, you might cut outside the material, it won't be centered and whatnot, so just keep that in mind. You want a little bit of a space there. Come and see me if you are unsure how big that space should be. It should be about the width of your pinky finger if you hold it up against the screen. Okay, anyways, that's it for now. That's your creating that toolpath, and press the calculate button. Once again, make sure that it was selected before you get to that step. And you can preview it. You can see what it's going to look like. You can see how deep it went. It's a quarter of an inch deep maximum, so it won't be too deep, and you notice the deeper sections here. You can flip it around, you can see it's 3D, it's kind of cool. Anyways, we'll leave this tutorial at this point, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Okay.